What's up everyone, this is an unboxing of the Sony PlayStation Dualsense wireless controller. So this is the front of the box, and in the back, so haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, built-in microphone, and then like improved comfort because of the redesign. These are the like features. So I'll be mainly using this for PC and hopefully works on the PS4 for now. Since I didn't pre-order the PS5, I'll probably wait for the Pro version, or if it gets cheaper. Okay. It's just the manual or documentation. And then this is the controller itself. Ooh, actually feels nice. It's nice. The buttons feel like it's more dampened. Yeah. Possibly because of the built-in microphone, so you don't wanna like keep hearing that clicking sound. Here it is compared to the PS4 controller, the DualShock 4. Yeah, it's definitely it's definitely quieter. Yeah. So there you have it. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Sony PlayStation DualSense wireless controller.